So I got my home office set up and all that, and I really need a new chair. Mine's a couple years old, so I like the racing style chairs that everybody's using these days, gaming chairs, whatever. So I went with GTRacing. I got the GT099. It's supposed to be red and black, I believe. So we're gonna open this up and see what's inside and put it together. So stay tuned. Use my little pry bar that I made a couple of years ago. This is the lumbar support, and then that's obviously the bottom of the chair and the pillow, I guess. Let's scoot all that out of my way real quick so I can get to the assembly instructions. This is the seat back. You can see it's all red and black, just like I ordered. And there's the bottom. So let's check this out real quick. Looks to be fairly simple instructions, really. It also comes with the wrench that I'll need. It's just a simple Allen wrench. There's a Binks, cat Binks. Yeah, looks like it comes with a wrench. Yeah, so let me get this unpacked and organized, and we'll start putting it together. There's the tool kit and screws. Sorted parts. Main goal here is to get this box out of the way. There's an armrest, another armrest, I think. All right. Now, got it all laid out. Let's go ahead and see what these instructions say for the first part of this. Step 1, place the base upside down and insert the casters into the bottom of the base. I got my base. Let's see. You can see my feet in my base. Alright. And the casters are in this box of assorted parts. There we go. Box of casters or wheels, whatever you want to call them. And they have a little snap ring on them, so push them in there with a little more force than that, and they won't come out. All right, now it rolls. Step 2, install gas lift and insert gas lift cover. All right, gas lift cover is this thing right here. Our gas lift cover. Yeah. and gas lift is right here. So, looks simple enough. It says to just set it into the base. It's pressure fit. So, holds itself in there. Then I slide the cover over that so that can telescope as it moves up and down. All right, well that's easy enough. Step 3. Oh, now we get complicated. Align F and M with the holes of the seat, then tighten screws. So F and M are going to be my side brackets, which I believe. Okay, so new day, different shirt. Had a little bit of a family emergency. Had to run off and take care of, but everything's all right. And we're going to pick up where we left off. Yeah. So we got the bottom of the chair done. That was yesterday for me, a few seconds ago for y'all. And we were on the hinges. So, yeah, we're on that step. These are the hinges, right and left hinge. Let's see if I can get all that together. What the hell is that? Oh, the right hinge has a spring on it. Got it. Got like a spring. I'm gonna try to get this all adjusted. I had it all dialed in yesterday. Had to get up and run off. M822 is the screws that I need. Four of these. And then I need the bottom of the chair. I'm looking at the chair. This goes right here, and then I have 2 screws that go in the side like this. All right, got that done. Now, an M5-8 through the hole of R1 and L1. Little plastic covers. M5-8. Okay. You have 2 little caps that we pop into here. Next step, align F and M with the holes in the back and tighten the screws. These are M822s. Take the back out. too bad. Okay. Next step, we got more little M5s and some side pieces. Now we got that. On the bottom, we install the mechanism and armrests. It takes a bunch of M822s to hold those on. Now, as I finish this assembly, I just want you to know that there is a discount code down in the description that'll let you go to GTRacing and pick up your very own chair just like this. They have tons to choose from. So be sure to check them out at the link below and get you a discount so you can get one of these for your own office. You won't be disappointed. Well, as you can see, I got it all together. The chair's got a nice ability to lean back. The armrests are all adjustable. It allows you to pull the handle here, and you can lay the chair all the way back in addition to the leaning function, and it'll pretty much lay back flat. It's not bad for a fat boy. Very comfortable chair. I'm currently using it, and I really enjoy it. Looking forward to spending many hours in this chair working on more videos for you guys. So thanks for watching this tutorial on how to put it together.